Today we're going to engineer a picture frame out of craft sticks. I'm starting with one regular size craft stick or popsicle stick, and I'm putting hot glue on each end and then gluing craft sticks to those. Glue a second craft stick next to it so that there are two craft sticks side by side. Now I'm going to flip it over, and on the bottom stick I'm going to put the hot glue so that these craft sticks are offset. And you want that because the offset part that's hanging off is actually going to be where it sits into our frame stand. And now I'm just putting hot glue across both of those sticks to glue one more craft stick onto this. And for symmetry, we might glue another one. That way there's two on the top and two on the bottom. Two on each side. Now we have a perfect square. So this here is our frame. Now I am going to get a large craft stick. So I've got two big craft sticks here. These are tongue depressors, some people call them. Before I work with those, I'm actually going to get two more of these regular craft sticks and cut those in half. Those are going to be the base of our stand. And then I'm going to cut these little tiny tabs off of those. And those are going to be spacers here. So you can see I'm putting some hot glue on it. And I'm putting these little tiny spacers in between the two large tongue depressor craft sticks. And that is going to allow our picture frame to slide into it. There's a gap in there, and so those little offhangs that we did previously will be able to stick into there. And now I'm just going to glue some little feet on the bottom of this so you can see it stands up on its own. And then the final step is to glue these last two half popsicle sticks onto this big tongue depressor. And I do that in between the two feet. And this is going to be used to hold up your picture. Your picture will rest on these in between those and the frame. And so you'll see here, I'm just cleaning off a little bit of extra glue bits, and I'm going to slide this in. And that is our picture frame. It's very simple, very easy and quick to do. I think it took me about 8 minutes to do this. And you can see your picture just slides in between those two popsicle sticks on the back there. And there you have it. This makes a great gift. We made these for Valentine's Day, so I'm actually going to take it apart now that I know that it works, and I'm going to put some decorations on it so that we can use it for a Valentine's Day frame. But I have made these for many different holidays. I've made them for summer, for winter, as Christmas gifts, as Mother's Day gifts, as Father's Day gifts, birthday presents. They're just really easy to use, and you just pick a picture that suits the holiday and decorate it in a way that suits the person that you're giving it to, and they make great gifts, and they're just really fun to engineer. So hopefully you get to try it at home, and until next time, keep discovering.